They told you your legs are weak from aging. But what if the real cause is an unspoken deficiency almost every senior citizen suffers from, and no one's talking about it? Seniors are told their leg pain, cramps, and weakness are just normal. But a breakthrough discovery reveals 3 lacking vitamins which can rebuild strength in no time, and hardly anyone is taking them. One of them gives 31% strength, but you've maybe never even heard of it. Why? Because it's not good for profits. And if you are deficient in it, your muscles won't recover, regardless of how much rest you get. This is the longevity table, and today we're exposing the 3 secret vitamins that are secretly sucking your leg strength dry and the quick solution. Meet Leonard. He was 74 and had been having trouble climbing stairs. His legs were weak, stiff, and unpredictable. He blamed it on age, until he heard the truth. Leonard took only one of these vitamins before bed. And within 3 weeks, his leg strength and balance improved more than they had in the past 3 years. We'll show you what he did and how to do it right. For more health advice based on truth like this, the kind the mainstream never provides, subscribe now to the Longevity Table. We bring science and real stories together every week. If your legs feel weak, you're stumbling when you get up, or night cramps are taking a toll on your sleep, this is not normal aging. This is a warning signal. Omitting these 3 nutrients can be quietly damaging muscles, nerves, and bones every single night. Let's count down the 3 most powerful vitamins for seniors to regain leg strength, from weakest to strongest, with science to back it up. Vitamin number 3, B12, the nerve connector. This is the one your muscles and nerves require. Beginning at age 60, your body is not as efficient at absorbing B12, and your legs suffer because the nerves that instruct your muscles get out of control. Take the under-the-tongue methylcobalamin form 30 minutes before bedtime. It bypasses the gut and goes straight into the blood. Numbness, tingling, or wobbly legs is what most elderly with B12 deficiency get, without any idea why. It's not weakness. It's brain-to-muscle miscommunication. Start at 1,000 mcg daily. Take a dissolvable tablet at bedtime for the best effect. And here's a clue. If your legs feel like needles at night or your toes are numb, you might already be lacking. Let's get on. Vitamin number 2, D3, the strength restorer. D3 is sometimes known as the sunshine vitamin, but it does much more than support bones. It enhances muscle protein synthesis, the body's way of rebuilding strength from use and wear. Take 2,000 to 4,000 IU of D3, or cholecalciferol, at night with a light snack high in fat for absorption. If your legs are stiff after easy effort or recovery is slower after a short walk, maybe it is because D3 is missing when your body needs it most, at night. Take D3 with healthy fats like almond milk, nut butter, or avocado for best absorption. A 2021 study found that seniors who took D3 without K2 experienced more joint pain and stiffness, proving that timing and combinations matter. Most people don't know this, but you're about to. Vitamin number 1, K2, the silent strength switch. K2 directs calcium into your bones and away from your joints and arteries. Without K2, calcium hardens tissues instead of strengthening muscles. K2 also activates genes that rebuild muscle and support collagen repair. Take the MK7 form of K2, between 100 to 200 mcg at night with your D3. Together, they amplify muscle healing. Many seniors taking D3 still feel stiff or in pain, because without K2, the calcium gets misdirected. If you're taking D3, don't skip K2. They're a team. Let's pause and recap. B12 makes your nerves talk to your muscles. D3 makes your body gain muscle in the night. K2 puts calcium in your bones and not in your joints. Which of these are you already using? Or which one would you like to try first? Let us know in the comments. We respond to every single one. Want to get stronger in 7 days? Try this night routine. B12 1000 mcg under your tongue 30 minutes before bed. D3 2000 to 4000 IU with healthy fat, 20 minutes before bed. K2 100 to 200 mg/mk7 with your D3. Put the bottles next to your toothbrush or nighttime tea. Make it a part of your nightly routine. Now put these 3 easy habits together for faster results. First, regular hydration. Drink water every 90 minutes during the day. Even mild dehydration reduces leg strength and nutrient absorption. Second, eat a light supper. Avoid a late evening starch or sugar. Slowed digestion and suppressed recovery are the byproducts of a large dinner. Third, carefully lift your legs at night. Try seated leg lifts, heel raises, or ankle rolls for 2 to 5 minutes. It boosts blood flow and lets vitamins reach your muscles. Your legs are more than just limbs. They support your life, your memories, and your independence. Tonight, provide them what they need to stay strong, so that you can keep on doing what you love. Try this whole bedtime process for 7 days. Vitamin B12 under the tongue. For your body to absorb it faster and more effectively. D3 and K2 with a light snack. Gentle leg movement of 2 minutes. Then come back and tell us in the comments how your legs feel. Subscribe if you'd like real health solutions every week. You deserve strength. You deserve balance. You deserve the truth. Thanks for watching the Longevity Table. We'll see you in the next video.